So you're probably wondering, why the hell is this guy floating in the middle of the ocean surrounded by crystal clear blue water? Let me explain. GoPro has invited over 50 creators from all over the world to get to experience literal paradise on Earth. So instead of me just talking about it, let me introduce you to Fiji, the most beautiful place on Earth. Let's go.
Welcome to Fiji, my friend!
So we have officially arrived at the resort. Only problem is we have no luggage. Apparently it got lost, left behind in Brisbane. So I'm not sure if I can top that, but it's fine. We're still positive, vibes are high. So I'm just gonna borrow someone else's charger real quick to charge up my LiPo batteries because I do have my FPV drones luckily with me. And then we're gonna start with day one. Let's get it.
What's going on, huh? What's going on? Bula, everybody!
I have no luggage.
Nice. My guy! How's it going, dude?
Danny hooked me up here with a charger because, as you know, I have everything in my suitcase. Appreciate it, dude. Come home! So day one is officially live. As you know, the Creator Summit gets pretty hectic. You need to understand there's over 50 of us out here and we're all mingling with each other and so many cool ideas get to fruition. So today the plan is to do jet skiing and also we'll be snorkeling. Good morning. We're kicking off the day with a bit of a surf trip quickly. A bunch of the surfers are already out at sea and we're just joining them now. I'm gonna try to get some really cool FPV shots here. We have some really talented surfers, which is ideal. And conditions are looking pretty fine too. So yeah, let's get on the boat.
A few moments later.
Hey, lost and found! Fiji office! You're a freaking legend, dude. Like James Bond just jumping in the water. Let's go!
Yeah, epic. So part of the GoPro Creator Summit is also to learn and not just shoot. So luckily they're running multiple workshops here with us where they teach us all tips and tricks about how to make the most of the camera and also a couple of social tricks. Well, guess what? I finally, after 2 days, got my luggage back. It just made it in time after I ran out of all my batteries and I had to borrow some of the gear from the other boys. So shout out to Danny and Parker for lending me their stuff. And now we're off to a speedboat river cruise. I've packed a water-coated drone for this one so I can get nice and close hopefully off the speedboat. We're actually running late, around 7 minutes, so we just had a buggy pick me up quickly. That's why we're speeding up like that. But I catch you guys at the speedboat. Let's go. Luke flying his drone, and I think he just... What happened, bro?
Yeah, so the spray of the boat came up and just like it smacked and the drone kept going just fine.
Damn.
But then all of a sudden the goggle froze and I just saw it just fall.
Well, risk it for the biscuit. This
Yeah.
guy's an absolute legend. Make sure to
Got
check
to.
him out. Hopefully it's a good transition like you just said.
Yeah,
Fucking
if
hell.
we get the drone, you'll see it.
Let's
Yeah.
get it. Only issue right now we're having, I think, is that the current is quite strong. I don't know, it could be anywhere by now.
Let's go! Oh,
We got it, baby!
fucking hell.
Of course it is recording!
Missed it.
Thank
You got
goodness.
it.
So glad we found it.
Thank you
Okay.
guys, yeah.
Let's go.
We're done with the speedboating. We just got dropped off and now we're taking this really cool adventure car to some extremely beautiful caves. Really excited for this one because apparently there's some sort of temple at the end of the cave. So yeah, we shall see. But maybe I even get to fly the drone in there. Let's see how we go. It's Cyclops, man. This cave is absolutely crazy. It is so massive and has so much history in here. Each room is bigger than the other one. And we're getting so much insight on the rich culture here in Fiji and what these caves meant to these people. Ultimately, there were people living in these caves. They were cooking meals and battles have been fought in this cave as well. So yeah, very exciting and nice little touch to such an amazing, such an action-filled trip, and yeah, getting to know a bit better about the Fijian history and culture. Alright, so today is a special day because we are going onto a secluded island called Apparently this island is pretty insane because they have lots of activities there. Some sort of survival games apparently. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean, but all I know, it's gonna be full of fun and a lot of action. As you can see, I'm also packed to the brim because I want to be prepared for anything today, and with GoPro you gotta be prepared for anything. Welcome to Mala Mala, and we have this island all to ourselves. We got the surface, we got everything out here. Let's go! Welcome to Mala Mala. Hey.
Welcome to GoPro Challenge.
Let's go! This island is absolutely insane. There's so many activities and so much cool stuff that you can do. Best part is that you get to collaborate with so many cool people. Pretty crazy to think that we're in the middle of the ocean right now. We're just trying to explore even more now of the island. We did a bunch of stuff so far. Wow, it's absolutely insane here. So this one's gonna be pretty epic. I'm trying to shoot parasailing right now with the boys, and I don't know how I'm gonna go because it's quite windy right now. Conditions are not ideal.
I believe in this guy. I believe in you. It's going to be epic. You guys got to check this out.
Run away to your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away to your escape. Run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear.
Just getting ready now for a little sunset shot. As you can see behind me, the sun is nicely setting. I reckon I'm going to fly this one in 5K 30 FPS for the motion blur. Of course, we're going to keep the shutter at 160. I think this is going to be probably one of the best sunset shots I've ever taken. Fingers crossed. Good morning, guys. Today is another day, another adventure. Today we had to actually be up super early, around what, 4:30 I think, because we are going to shoot together with the Fijian rugby team. Only thing though is that their train location is a bit unusual. In fact, they train in the middle of the dunes, and these dunes are pretty gnarly. They're super steep and they run them up and down, left to right, and we're gonna be with them here today. Get a bit of a taste of what it's like to be a Fijian gold medalist rugby player. Baby! Another day, another adventure, and today we are going tubing. I'm here in the tubing headquarters, as you can see. You see around what, hundreds of tubes behind me, and we're gonna tube down a river, followed by visiting a cultural village, which I'm really excited about. Should be a good day. And we're officially off. We're now taking the boat up the river, and then we're gonna tube downstream on the tubes, which will be pretty cool. The scenery on this boat ride is absolutely insane. I'm really keen to get a drone shot as we are going up the river and trying to capture us with the drone. Should be pretty good. I think we're not going that fast, so it should be all safe. The only struggle is obviously flying from a moving object is never ideal, but I already know I got this one in the bag, so it should be good. Today is the last day here at the GoPro Summit, and this is a time where we have the award night. The award night is basically where you have the chance to get rewarded for one of your clips that you have submitted prior to this event. There's also a moment to just reflect how amazing it is to collaborate with so many talented people and how privileged I feel to, be amongst all these incredible people. So we're gonna head into the party now, and as far as I remember last year, it went pretty wild. Let's see how this one goes.
Right, we've got most cinematic. Let's go.
Yo, what a trip this has been. It's been an absolute honor to be part of the GoPro Creator Summit this year again. Much love to GoPro and all the other sponsors who made this trip so memorable and special, and it was also so amazing to collaborate with so many people, so many talented creators. Fiji truly is paradise, and if you haven't had a chance to come out here yet, make sure to put it on top of your bucket list. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any other future videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bula.